Hello, my name is Alexander Kotz. I'm marketing manager for secure products in Europe. So welcome at the Embedded World 2016. So actually we're showing this year our rauchmelder secure smart home reference platform. You know, IoT is becoming more and more important, and actually security is a really important topic in this market. So we're showing our reference platform. This is based on the ECC 508A, which is our flagship product. And actually we just released that we are also now supporting the TLS, which is a standard, as you know, for secure communication, out of Wolf SSL, Open SSL, right away conform to the standard. So we're showing here, you know, thermostat, a light connected to the router, this up to the cloud. But really new this year, everything is really secure based on a hardware security, which really gives any IoT node an identity and a very secure way to communicate up to the cloud.